So earlier, couple of days ago, I uploaded a video of custom scrambler type seat for Interceptor. I have uploaded the video of making the seat. You can go watch there. Also, I want to show you the close-up of the seat here after the installment. So this is the how the seat looks. I have tried to make it more like a trip machine seat, but without leather, and I have not given an extra steep slope here for the comfort of pillion. So this is how the seat looks, and it is bit comfortable also. So earlier a guy contacted me regarding his 2022 model Interceptor. He had a battery discharge issue and the bike was idle, was not picking up the starter. So the dealership as well as mechanics mentioned that it was a battery discharge situation. So for in my bike to not happen such things, I had made a modification. You cannot call it modification, but simple change in this bar here. So for Interceptor BS4 versions, which is from around 2019 to 2022 model, this old type switches used to come. So what used to happen, there was no headlight on and off switch here, which is present in 350 lever sets switch. So I just got a new one, that of 350. I removed this, which had no option to kill the headlight. I installed this one. The only thing was it needed an extra hole to be made here downside, because 350 is a single cylinder and this one. So you need to make a hole here. There are two levers coming out and which are connected to throttle bodies here. So a simple change in lever set made me save my battery also and increase the battery life. So this is how it looks. This is headlight off with a park light, single park light on, and this is headlight on off with upper dipper. So this is very useful to save the battery. This is on, this is off. Also, if you don't want to go with this switch, this will get around 200 and 350 rupees. If you don't want to change this one, you will get a Uno Minda switch around 150 rupees. You can clamp it on handlebar, but I didn't wanted my handlebar to look so much engaged here with lots of stuff. I wanted to make it a clean handlebar, so I opted for this switch. And another one to track your battery is this switch. Take a screenshot of this. You will get this on Amazon or maybe offline shops. You can mount this on handlebar, so you will get all the battery information, battery capacity and voltage, so you can track your battery as well. So this is the seat, scrambler style seat. I have just made it thin and added a thick layer of foam on the top with this pattern and a belt. This prevents sliding of pillion far towards head. So this is the headlight on off switch. This is a pretty simple hack you can do